What's up, people? Welcome back to TaylorMade Kicks. Shout out to all the sneakerhead collectors and all those who like fly kicks. Today we're back with another sneaker tutorial. Shout out to CapSole.store.com. They sell these sneaker pods that preserve your sneaker and prevent them from oxidation and or yellowing, so your sneakers last for a longer time, so you don't get that yellowing or crumbling. What's up, people? And on a previous episode of the TaylorMade Kicks live show, I told y'all about a pair of boots that I had that fell apart because they weren't preserved or taken care of properly. So now we're going to show y'all the proper way to put your sneakers up and preserve them so you can avoid that oxidation, yellowing, and or crumbling, and that way you don't have to go through the trauma that I went through. But let's get into it, people. CapSoleStore.com, sneaker pods. Here it is. Let's check it out. We need the capsule, pair of sneakers, and or a cartridge. Here's a QR code. Here is your preservative valve. These are actually like $50, but it's well worth the investment if you have a Holy Grail sneaker. So this is only strictly for the sneakerheads or the people who have a pair of sneakers that they've been sitting on for a while. So here is the package. As you can see, it's clear on this side. The zipper's on this side. One side to let the air out, one side to put the air in, to keep the oxygen and or moisture away from your sneakers. That's how your sneakers last long, and you keep that yellowing away and or falling apart. So these are cool gray 11s. I'm going to do cool gray 11s today. I'll probably put these up until the summertime. There's like no need to wear these in the winter. This is a summertime shoe for me. Alright, we're going to open up the bag. The sneakers inside. These come in a small, medium, or large, depending on your size foot. Alright, we gotta screw this on all the way. So y'all hear that sound. Once that sound is out, once you hear all the hissing noise go out, you can twist this on. And you want to remove all the oxygen and moisture from the bag. Let's use gonna fill it up. Okay. I'm gonna squeeze all the extra air out. Close this valve. The cap back on. And there we go. Fresh pod. You can never carry this as a travel case. You can take the sneakers in and out of this bag, reuse it. It's a reusable bag. The cartridges are sold separately if you need a new one. But that's the process. Shout out to CapSole store.com. Like I said, these are like $50, $60 a pod, but it's worth the investment to keep your sneakers nice, white, crispy, and fresh and clean. This bag should fit right back in your sneaker box. Inside the sneaker box. Bingo! Well, that was another edition of TaylorMade Kicks tutorials. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Make sure y'all like, subscribe to the channel, hit that live bell notification, and we will be back with more sneaker reviews and more tutorials. This is TaylorMade Kicks, people. We out of here. Y'all have a good one. Deuces.